What's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy, and today I'm going to be showing you the difference between living rubber and silicone. I have a half-ounce brush jig by Do It Molds made up of silicone and one made up with living rubber, and we're going to put them in the test tank and show the difference. I actually got the silicone from living rubber as well, though. All right, guys, let's head over to the test tank. Okay, guys, so here you have it. This one is the living rubber, and this one is the silicone. So you can notice right away that the living rubber just kind of spreads out a lot more. Bigger profile there. Alright, guys, so there you have it. Once again, here is the living rubber and here is the silicone. Have it, the difference between silicone and living rubber. The living rubber just made it look like a bigger profile bait, and it just opened up and everything. So yeah, you can get so many different colors of the rubber from livingrubber.com. I mean, they have the all different colors, and they also have reptile as well. So yeah, go ahead and go check those guys out, man. All right, thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked the video. Please sub, share, like, comment, all that good stuff. All right, guys, that guy Skimpy, livingrubber.com. What's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy, and today I'm going to be showing you the difference between silicone and living rubber jigs in the test.